Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This printer is Epson ECOTANK ET-3850. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's all-in-one printer, wireless inkjet printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. This printer uses ink tank and ink bottles included. Black, you can print up to 14,000 pages for black and also 5,200 pages with color bottles provided. In terms of printing speed, up to 33 prints per minute for black and 20 prints per minute for color. This printer, I can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, USB cable connection, and Apple AirPrint. This printer uses large capacity ink bottles. Wi-Fi connectivity means you can send your document to the printer from anywhere using your phone or tablet. And also you can manage this printer using color LCD touchscreen, email printing, and cloud printing. Paper tray capacity 150 sheet, the main tray, and 20 sheet for photo tray. Automatic document feeder 30 pages. Page per print for color, 8 print per minute for iOS, and up to 33 prints per minute. Automatic double-sided. Resolution 4800 by 1200 dpi. Page format, so you can print with A4, A5, A6, B5, envelope, C6, DN, number 10, letter, legal, 9 by 13 centimeter paper, 10 by 15 centimeter, 13 by 18 centimeter, 13 by 20 centimeter, 20 by 25 centimeter, 100 by 140 centimeter, 16.9, etc. Connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel. Scanners, 30 pages automatic document feeder for scanner, color depth, 48-bit input and 24-bit output. Scanning element, CIC, color flatbed scanner. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400. This printer is also compatible with Windows and Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP, XP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server. What we want to do is unbox this printer, check it out and see what is inside. This is Epson ECOTANK ET-3850 printer. So ink bottles, 2 black, information pack and software disk included, power cable, cyan bottle, magenta bottle, yellow bottle included in the packaging. This is the printer here. Very light and it's not heavy, compact. This is the power cable. So if you go at the back, if you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris. Just hold the 2 clips together to open it up. So check for any paper jam and debris. And once you're done, hold the spring together and put the cover back. The power cable goes to this port. Power cable goes here, push it in. Then Ethernet and USB on this side. So connect the power cable to the power. This is the ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. So this is the LCD screen. This is the ink tank. This is the ink tank. You open it up this way, then fill the ink according to the color. This is the paper casket. You adjust this with the guide. So you can bring this out this way for you to load the paper, or you can also bring it out This is ADF, flatbed scanner. This printer deserves your attention. This is the unboxing and overview. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.